That's a great message. We have to win this account.
Agreed, this could be the account that gives us the edge over the competition.
Sure, it sounds great, but where do we start?
Good question. It's hard to imagine how we could tackle this issue in an innovative way, given that entrepreneurship space seems to be saturated.
Well, what resource can you elaborate?
We do have access to Seneca College Business Incubator, Helix.
Yes, but we have to think outside the box. Everyone knows about Stargazer's business model canvas, and Helix already does so many great things.
What problem are you actually trying to solve here?
I think that we need to introduce the entrepreneurial tool of the future, a tool that considers a triple bottom line and that can help aspiring entrepreneurs to mitigate the negative consequences that may arise from neglecting environmental and social aspects when engaging in design thinking. We need to leverage this tool with the case study to inspire risk youth to break free from a cycle of financial burden to pursue their entrepreneurial dreams.
That's it?
Look, I love the idea, but it does seem a little far-fetched to be honest.
I envision Reach Reclaim Revive, a project that aims to demonstrate how prospering social enterprises are built. We want to empower youth with the tools to start their own business, to help them break the cycles of poverty, thus helping them to prosper in the long run. All three areas of Reach Reclaim Revive help us deliver a well-rounded and holistic experience to the at-risk youth in our community, truly empowering them to have the skills, knowledge, and resource to prosper in the future.
The only way to win this account and to achieve Mr. Agnew's vision is to think big. And I mean really big. We do it all.
Let's get to work.
Reach Reclaim Revive's area number 2 is the flourishing enterprise that aims to provide our community members the tools and methods to achieve their entrepreneurial dreams. Reach Reclaim Revive has partnered with the creator of the Flourishing Business Canvas and has become one of its first explorers. So, as to create contents that include needs assessment, case analysis, tools analysis and utilization, as well as the application of the Flourishing Business Canvas.
Great, but can you please explain what makes this tool unique in comparison to the traditional business model canvas?
The Flourishing Business Canvas contains an additional 7 building blocks: goals, biophysical stocks, ecosystem services, governance, ecosystem actors, needs, and value the structures, thus enabling entrepreneurs to mitigate the negative consequences that may arise from neglecting environmental and social aspects when engaging in design thinking.
Wow, sounds really interesting, but what have you accomplished so far?
We hosted our very first workshop on February 26th, which included 4 students and 1 entrepreneur. From March 2nd to May 4th, we will mentor over 100 high school students and expose them to the Flourishing Business Canvas and a selection of related content in order to highlight the importance of incorporating environmental and social aspects into enterprise building. In fact, we'll use this very video to teach pitch refinement. But most importantly, we will apply the Flourishing Business Canvas ourselves in our work on Beta Fiscal Literacy Tool in partnership with Helix, Seneca's incubators, and their virtual education partner, Verta.
That's a lot. But how you project scale?
We will utilize the train-the-trainer model for capacity building, which Reclaim Revive via the Flourishing Enterprise will build leadership skills among its participants. As those participants who have completed the workshop training will be providing with opportunities to reach and teach other Helix Incubator members. Ultimately, the goal is to refine the Flourishing Business Canvas contents and provide workshops to the at-risk youth employed in the Mailback Initiative, so as to inspire these to reach higher by making their world and the world of others a better place.
You know, I think we just may have made an impact.